Hey you guys, in today's meal prep Monday video, first gonna show you all the ingredients that I have and what we'll be cooking today. So for this week, Parker's breakfast will be these grits. He loves these instant grits. And also his dinner will be this ground turkey with zucchini and squash and baked sweet potatoes. And his lunch will be chicken breast, carrots, and sweet cream corn. And for us, my husband loves the naked drinks and an orange for breakfast, and me, I like oranges and these all brand wheat flakes. And our dinner will be the same chicken breast. We're going to split this between us and Parker with this asparagus and brown rice. And our lunch will be this ground turkey, and our vegetables will be this oriental stir fry. And I really love this mix, so let's get to cooking, y'all. I also just started trying these emergency powder that you mix with water to help with your immune system, and so far these have been working pretty good, so I'll let you all know how I like these after taking them for a few weeks. But I drink one of these every morning to try to keep from getting sick. So the first thing we're going to do is start on our baked potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're going to wash them and poke holes in them and bake them in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And we're also going to go ahead and get our brown rice started. So we're going to boil some water so that we can add our rice. And then we're going to peel the zucchini and squash and chop them down for Parker. So let's get started. Okay, so the sweet potatoes have been washed, and I put foil over this pan so that when it oozes, it'll be easy cleanup. So we're just going to poke some holes in there. Just a few on both sides, just to release the air pressure so that they don't explode in the oven. So my oven is ready. We're going to put this in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. You're going to put your carrots in water, and we're going to boil these until they get soft. And we're going to boil this water for your brown rice. So I have this bag here, and now we're going to peel our zucchini and squash with my potato peeler. And this is, you can peel anything with this, an apple, anything. So we're going to peel it into the bag. Then we're going to slice it down so that we can saute these in a skillet. What I first do before I do that is I cut the ends off. So, and now we peel it. Do it right here in the middle. Slice it down the middle. Slice it again down the middle. Again over here. Combine them all together. And here is our pan of zucchini and squash. So now we're just going to season it with salt and pepper, and I'm going to add a little stick of butter in there, and we're going to cover it with a top and let it simmer on low heat. Well, probably about medium heat so that it can simmer down. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. And here is our zucchini and squash. So you're going to go ahead and put your ground turkey in the skillet, and I seasoned it with Tony Saturated Creole seasoning and red pepper flakes in ours. But this is Parker's, and it has Tony Saturated. And this is ours, and it has red pepper flakes and Tony Saturated. So we got the meat going, we have the carrots going, and the rice. It won't take this meat long to cook. Once it's done cooking, then we're going to go ahead and start on our oriental stir fry. I need a stove that has like 8 eyes on it so I can cook like 8 or 9 things all at the same time. Or I need like 2 stoves or something. But yep, I'm gonna let that cook, and we'll be back when it's ready. So the meat is ready. So we're going to set that aside and start on our oriental stir fry. Our carrots and rice is still cooking. Okay, so whenever your rice is done boiling after about 20 minutes, then you always want to strain it and get all of that starch off of there. And I just run it under some hot water and just kind of stir it around. That way your rice will have movement on your plate and it won't be all stiff. And that's the rice. So we're just going to let that sit there and finish draining. And now we're going to work on our asparagus. So here is our asparagus. So what I'm first going to do is just cut the ends off. Okay, I'm going to throw these ends in the trash. And I'm washing my hands now, and now we're going to clean them off with some hot water. Now I have my griddle ready, and I'm actually going to grill them on this griddle, and I'm going to spray the pan with my Pam. I'm going to line them up on there. And we're going to put this on about 350. And I'm finna season them with salt and pepper. And they're sizzling, as you can hear. Flip them over and season the other side. They're starting to get nice and soft, so now I'm going to add some butter to them. And now they're ready. And so we're going to take them off. I'm going to just put them in a paper plate for now, let them cool. And I'm going to clean the griddle so that we can go ahead and clean our chicken, cut our chicken breast, and we're going to cook our chicken on here now. Now we're going to let our oriental stir fry simmer for 11 minutes. Then we're going to put the sauce on there, and we're going to stir it all and cover it back up. But you need to let it simmer first for 11 minutes with the top on it, and we're going to let that cook now. So far our ground turkey is ready, our zucchini and squash is ready, carrot ready. Now we're just waiting on the stir fry, and I have to make, and our rice is ready, and I have to make the chicken. Our oriental stir fry is ready. So now we just need to cook the chicken, and we can plate up all of our food. Alright, so the only thing I'm going to season the chicken with is this Weber chicken seasoning, and it has everything you need in it. And it's going to make the chicken taste really good. And that's all you need. We're going to turn this on 350. We're just going to let it cook. Just stir it around. And I sprayed the pan with this Pam. As y'all can see, I get a lot of uses out of this griddle. I cook pancakes on here. You can cook bacon on here, eggs, chicken, asparagus, all type of stuff. You should be able to find a griddle like this at Walmart, Target, Belk, any store really. You can get a lot of uses out of it. I'll make sure all of the meat is covered. So we're just gonna let that cook. Okay, the chicken is ready. So now we can plate everything for the week. And here are Parker's plates. Okay, so this is our dinner. All right, you guys, this is gonna be our lunch. Chicken stir fry. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment below if you're gonna try any of these meals. Happy holidays to you and your family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.